Hey everybody! Okay, I am really excited for this. I really don't care how I look right now. I'm doing cleaning and it's cleaning day and I've got my favorite cleaning day t-shirt on, and you already saw right here, I snuck it by mistake. I got my mystery box. So I blocked out my address and stuff on here, but there it is. I like to keep these actual cardboard boxes because I think the mystery box ones, like with the question marks on them, are actually going to be worth some money someday. So I keep all of those. I got the one at Christmas time, the very first one that he did on Black Friday in 2018, and I also got I tried to get the Valentine's one, but they were sold out by the time that I got to the website. So, and then I wanted to get a bigger one this time, but unfortunately we had some financial emergencies happen at the house, so I could only afford the mini one, and by the time I got to the website it was 11 o'clock Pacific time, and the only thing left was the mini. So here it is. Ooh, and I already cut open the tape, but I haven't looked at this yet, so I'm doing this on camera right now and I'm so excited. Here we go. I couldn't wait. I didn't put anything on. It's cleaning day, but I checked the mail and sure enough, it was a chartreuse alert. All right, so I guess I didn't open it fully. Uh-oh. I didn't open it fully. Oh no. Okay. Well, let me pause this really quick and I'll come back. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to go get some scissors and just slice the edge of it. Okay, and you can see the cardboard is still pretty tight in there, so I haven't opened it off camera. But here we go. Ooh, and it's got green wrapping paper. It's like Christmas. Oh God, I would just watch Rich Lux's review of his mystery box too, so I'm so excited for this. I have no idea what I'm gonna get because every single unboxing that I've watched has been totally different products. I have a feeling there's gonna be a pop socket in here, so here we go. And this was supposed to have come with 3 products, and it feels like, yeah, it's a pop socket. Okay, and it's my favorite color. Chartreuse. It's a chartreuse pop socket with the black logo on it. That is hot. I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, good. And then, all right. Oh, I think I just peeked. Oh no. Okay. So this is a liquid lip. It feels like, yeah. Ooh, it's from, oh my goodness. This is from the Blood Sugar collection. And this one is called Restraints. Ooh. I'm actually really happy that I didn't put any product on my face yet today because, oh God, I love that. Oh, look at it. It's beautiful. It's like a gunmetal silver color. All right, we'll give it a little shake. We'll swatch it right here. I love the red chrome. I didn't get any good pop ASMR on it, but that's okay. All right. Oh my God, is that beautiful? Wow. I love gunmetal colors. Oh my God. Okay, this, I'm gonna pause it again. Hold on. Okay, for those of you who are interested, here is my liquid lip collection from all the different brands that I love to use. It's mainly Wet n Wild and JSC. Here is my chartreuse shade, No Offense. So since we're doing a Jeffree Star unboxing, I might as well swatch that for you too. I love this color so much. Oh my God. Chartreuse is my favorite damn color. Look at that. Look at how beautifully they go well together. Oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna do an eye. So excited. Oh my God. Okay, but here's why I took this out. I didn't take it out to swatch No Offense. I took it out because I have this Gothographic collection one, and this one is called Gunmetal Heart. And I want to swatch this one right next to Restraints and see how it measures up. Okay, wow. Ooh, okay. So the base color is definitely different. All right, that makes me feel good. Wow. And this one has a glitter, yeah, it has like a iridescent glitter fleck in it as well. All right, oh God, gorgeous. Okay. All right, that is definitely going into the giant box of liquid lips. Oh my God. Okay, next one. Next one is white. Oh. I'm so excited. This one, oh God, I wanted to order this one so bad. This is called Triggered. Oh, this was from the holiday collection. Actually, it was Alien collection. Oh my God. And look at this. Look at this. It doesn't really show up on camera. Oh, yes, it does. Look at that glitter that's in the packaging. That's one of the things I love so much about these white ones. Oh my gosh. Here is, here's Can't Relate. That does the same thing. I love Can't Relate. Okay, so there's that. All right, let's go ahead and, oh my God, it's this beautiful purple. Oh, look at that. It's like this dark maroony eggplant. Oh, and they go so well together. These two, oh, look at that. Okay, so with these, where's the one that I just got? Okay, here it is. Okay, so these are the two that came in the mystery box. This one is Triggered in the white packaging, and the one in the red packaging is Restraints, which is really funny. That's like, look at that. From the packaging all the way down to the names, it's like the bipolar mystery box. Wow. And then with the chartreuse, with No Offense all together, this is going to make the most gorgeous looks. I'm so excited. Yes. Okay. So, all right. I'm not really in the habit of keeping the unit cartons. I'm okay with throwing them away. So Restraints and Triggered and a chartreuse and black pop socket. Yeah, I'm so excited. I got my money's worth. I really feel like I got my money's worth in this one. So these two shades together are, they're $18 a piece, so this would be $36 worth of product. And then for the exclusive pop socket, they are at Target and places like that for $10. I think the general consensus across the internet is that the pop sockets are $10. So we're $46 altogether for the mini mystery box that I bought for $20. The shipping was $7. Shipping and taxes were $7, so $27. Yeah, I definitely feel like I got my money's worth. Okay, well, that's it. Okay, I'm going back to cleaning. I'm gonna clean this now too. So I got another video coming this week. I finished filming the Wet n Wild mega haul video and swatch, but I have not finished editing it. It's turning out to be like, I got like a couple hours worth of footage while I was unboxing and swatching all that stuff. So I'm gonna put out like a two-parter, I think, on this. It's gonna be, you know, part one is this half of the box, and part two is going to be the other half of the package with swatches and comparisons. Okay, talk to you later. Bye!